Right, it's Sunday afternoon, it's a nice day, and I haven't told them yet, but I'm going to say to the dogs, I'm going to go for a walk. Shall we go for a walk? Reggie! Reggie! Shall we go for a walk, Reg? Yeah? Reggie, where shall we go? I think we'll go Whitby. We have to say it really quietly to get excited. Are we going to Whitby? Shall we go Whitby? We're going Whitby! Are you ready? Are you ready for Whitby?
No, wrong way around.
Oh no! Do you like Whitby, Reg? Do you like Whitby? What we're going to get in Whitby? Well, you aren't allowed ice cream, but we are. Look, look at Christine in her new shoes. Well, here we are, sunny Whitby. Brought my metal detector and a spade. Thought I might do a bit of metal detecting because Christine loves metal detecting. She generally does love metal detecting. She likes hunting and stuff, see. And dogs whined all the way here because they're excited about getting to Whitby. And over, let's see you later. Beagles. You see that down there? If you ever come to Whitby, that's where you go, down there, and you can catch lots of crabs. Whitby Beach, this. Is this a good day, Reg? Is this a good day, Reg? You excited? Whitby! Mum loves Whitby. Right, here we are in Whitby. We're going to make it up the steps now, I think. I'm out of breath for the first thing. Christine's not started puffing yet anyway. Yeah, so we're at the bottom of the steps now, recorder's going up. They're probably really boring, but any road.
Yeah.
We're carrying Diz because he's got a bad leg. And I'm knackered already. that view already. Right, Reg. Pull us up, Reg. Oh, I'm knackered. Right, we made it up. All the way to top. Mum's knackered. We're going to catch our breath up here, I reckon. I've had to carry Diz. That's why I'm knackered. It's not that I'm unfit or out. There's some flowers on this fence here, and those of you that know my music, I've got a song called Flowers by the Rails, and this is the place where I saw the flowers on the fence, but flowers on the fence didn't quite go, so it was right about flowers on the fence / rails. Anyway. Apparently all these graves, most of them, died at sea. So, no, the graves didn't die at sea, obviously. The people that buried here died at sea. Anyway, I'm being a bit disrespectful. Bless them. Going to go back down this little side road, which is just a slope that goes down side of the steps, and we're thinking it might be better for Dizzy poorly leg, because if not I'll have to carry him again, won't I? Sure what gets puffed up way down. Mr. Chips when we go down. Drive up here in a car, and to be honest, I think that would be a very brave person that can drive up here in a car. I wouldn't like to come up here, I really wouldn't. In the road. I'm really pleased that I didn't wear my high heels today. I quit drinking it, like last day I quit drinking. I still love that pub smell, so I'm going to go really close to it and smell it.
He gets a bit frightened, a big drunk.
In this pub, sometimes there's a choir sings in here, and it's just amazing. It's like a shanty choir, sea shanty, and sings sea shanties, if I can say that right. And it sounds amazing. We're not doing it today, so we've gone in and had a look. It's a black horse. And there's a white horse. Outside. We're going to get some fish and chips here from Mr. Chips. I hope today that they're really nice. Apparently Jeremy Clarkson loves it here. Sometimes they're crap, sometimes they're bloody lovely, and I hope they're bloody lovely today. Mr. Chips. Mr. Chips was alright. No idea how much they cost because I don't carry cash, like I'm like royalty and that, you know. Yeah, if you go in there and mention my name, they'll give you a 10% increase in price. I don't know why. Anyway. Right, we've had fish and chips, now it's time for Reggie's and Dizzy's treats. You want this, Reg? You want a sausage, Reg? Huh? You want it? Are you sure you want it? Good dog. Do you want sausage, Diz? Good dog. Oh, he's sitting. Can you sit, Diz? Sit. Sit. Oh, he's been obedient. Good dog. want one, Diz? Good dog. He's really gentle, he's how it is. There you go. What do you reckon, Reg? Like an alligator, aren't you, Reg? Don't be pinching. Right. Good dog, Diz. Right. Sit. Sit, Reg. Sit. Good dog. Right, who's have it last bit? I reckon last bit should go to old man.